We've dropped in to see Matt, ABB Robotics, your machine tending range. Now, we've already reviewed one. Briefly cover that for me, though.
Yeah, so we've got the machine tending range here at ABB, on the ABB stand. So we've got the SC3000, which we've covered a few times on MTD. Nice, neat package, very, very flexible to feed lots of different components, and ultimately very easy to program and set up new parts.
And when you say lots of components, you can have, one batch run of one there, essentially, to 50 off and everything like that.
Generally, batch sizes of 50 or more.
Yep.
But these can be any different type of components, so from castings to complex shapes to round billets, literally anything that we can fit on a flat belt we can feed into the system and be able to recognise and pick up.
So on my right is the same system but just a lot bigger.
Yep, exactly. It's the same software, it's the same principles, same easy to integrate and easy to use front end interface, but as you said, much bigger and exploded. So we can configure it in all sorts of different configurations. We've got a 6700 robot here, which is capable of lifting 150 kilos, and a larger vision frame, so we can drive a whole pallet underneath it with a 3D laser scanner, which can scan the pallet and work its way down through the pallet and pick it off the pallet.
Okay, so the earlier system was 2D on the belt, this one working the whole way up through the pallet.
Correct, yeah.
Okay, now also it looks like this is set up for welding as well, is that right?
Yeah, in this instance we're just simulating a welding application, so welding round with one of our welding robots, 1600 ID robot. That could be a machine tending solution, it could be a deburr robot, it could be anything. We're just picking the part up and presenting it to an application or a process.
So any solution that an engineer requires, but it's, what you want to do is get the engineers just to contact you so you can provide a solution to them?
Absolutely, yeah. We can help them any way. We've got a range of standard solutions from small to large to even bigger, and yeah, that's...
And essentially provide them total flexibility.
Total flexibility, yeah. So flexibility to feed any parts and the ease of use of being able to program it in very quickly within 5 to 10 minutes.
I'm not going to go through the actual specification of the machines. You said this one will pick up 150 kilos, yep. But you've got a whole range. So the simple solution is basically get in contact with you guys and you'll do
Absolutely,
a review?
Yeah. Yeah, we can do. So anything from any parts, castings, billets, from a few grams to all the way up to 1,000 kilos.
No problem at all there. Matt, thank you very much.
Thank you.